Well, hopefully you guys can hear me, but here's the baler we bought last episode. Hayliner 273. Nice little baler. Needs timing. Kicker. Actually today from the same guy, we just went and got 2 hay wagons and a rake. We bought them. We haven't picked them up yet. Maybe next weekend. Needs to be timed. Bought at a good price though. Couldn't really say no. Maybe the headache will tell us otherwise. But pretty good shape. Looks pretty good. So yeah. But not a bad tow home. Got it here, and getting it up here was a pain, so that's what funded this project, I guess. Alright.